All right, guys, this is the first time I'm trying this, so let's see how it goes. We're going to learn how to balance equations. So on your worksheet, this is number 1 on the page that says 58, and we're going to learn and go through how to balance. So looking at this equation, you have nitrogen and hydrogen producing ammonia, NH3. And if you want to balance, that means we need the same thing on both sides of this equation. So what we're going to do is start by just drawing a line to split reactants from products. So on the reactant side, we want to count how many atoms do I have to start with. So I'm going to put my nitrogen and my hydrogen because I have both of those. And I'm going to do the same thing on the product side. Oops. I'm going to do the same thing on the product side. And I want to keep it in the same order because it's easier to compare across if it's in the same order. Okay, so N and H. Now on this side, we look at our subscript and we say, okay, 2 nitrogens and subscript for 2 hydrogens. On this side, I have only 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens. So I need to balance this. You have 2 things out of balance. You want to choose the one that's going to be the easiest first. And to do this, we need to add coefficients. So coefficients can only go in front of my substances, and they have to be whole numbers. So I need to think of a number that I'm going to put in front of my NH3 right here that's going to multiply by 1 to give me what I have on this side, which would be 2. And I do have a number that can do that, and that would be 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a 2 right in front of my ammonia. And when I do that, I no longer have this count. So I'm going to change that to a 2 because we have to multiply our coefficient by our subscript. In this case is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I have 2 times 3, I have 6 hydrogen. So I balance my nitrogens out. Now my hydrogens are still not balanced. So I'm going to come on this side and see, can I multiply something by what I have here 2 to give me what I have on this side, which is 6? And I can. I can put a 3 here, and that's going to change this to 6. So I'm going to cross these guys out. That changed. Hydrogen became 6. Did my nitrogen change? No, it is still 2. So now I am completely balanced, and my coefficients would be, in this case, since we didn't put anything, a 1, 3, and then 2. And we have the same amount of atoms on each side.